Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to operate Google Meet. For that you have to go to the Google Apps and you just have to click on Google Meet. For that you have to be logged into your Google ID, and this is your basic screen that's going to open. So now here either you can enter a link or code which you've received for any kind of meeting, or you just simply click on new meeting. Here you get three options: get a meeting link to share, start an instant meeting, schedule in a Google Calendar. Now let me just tell you how to schedule a meeting. If you want to schedule a meeting for future, for that this is an excellent option where you can add location, you can add around the more or less the time and uh, the date and whatever, this exactly, this is the date, the time, the duration, time zone. Okay, so everything you can do, and you may invite others, see the guest list. So you can add description regarding your meeting and just save the option. So this is how you schedule a meeting for future. But the most convenient part which we do in most of the cases, and this will be marked in your Google Calendar if you schedule a meeting according to that. So but if I want to start an instant meeting, this is the most convenient thing. Suppose I just start an instant meeting, and I may kind of this is an instant meeting, and what I do is I this camera is off right now. So now this is option that comes is you just to join now. So I just click on join now, and here they tell me that if I want to add others, so I can copy this link and I can send it, or I can add an email ID, and from where anybody can join this meeting. So copy the joining meeting, and join the meeting link, and send it to anybody through WhatsApp, so anybody can join, or else I can carry out the meeting on my own. For example, I can and if suppose this is the meeting, this is the basic interface, and if I want to turn on the captions, this is an excellent option. See, I turn on the captions. So this has been turned on. So now whoever, like if I'm conducting a meeting, this yes, my captions have been turned on, so I just unmute myself. I was muted, so this didn't record it. So now see, whatever I am saying is being recorded here, is being recorded here, it's been written here. So it's excellent for people who are not able to follow, for children, for people who are hearing impaired. So excellent, this is an excellent option. Turn off the captions. So I just want to turn off the captions. So for that I have to unmute myself. All right, so so now I again mute myself and turn off the turn on captions logo. Now here if I want to present something, I just click on present. So if I want to present the entire screen, I can do that. I can present a window or from Chrome tab. So I just present a window. So this is how it clicks open. Or what I can do is I just have to click on share. So instead of that, if I can just type your share the entire screen, so I have to select this and I have to click on share. So when I click on share, this entire screen is now being I'm presenting something. So I'm presenting to everyone. So if I want to stop this presentation, I have to click on this stop sharing, or I may hide this icon either. So now I just minimize my screen, and whatever I click on, which is there, for example, this is my PowerPoint presentation, and I just want to kind of present this to my students or to whoever I want. So I can just about go for simple slide share, and I can just present my presentation. So this is an excellent option, I believe, from Google Meet. Now what I do over here is I click on this. When I have stopped presenting, I may stop sharing, and I may stop presenting, and then it will automatically stop. So this is how I can share anything I want from my Google Meet option. Now from here I can show this icon will show all the participants. So right now there's only one participant, since nobody else has, I have not joined anybody else. I can chat from here, and anybody can send me messages. Like from during teaching, we often feel disturbed when people talk, so they have to remain muted, so they can send us messages. And here as you see this video option, if I click on the video option, people can see me, and I have to unmute myself so that people can hear me. And this is see here, I can share anything directly. This is connected with my Gmail, with my YouTube, with maps, anything, news, anything I can share from here. Now here I have some changes in the layout. I may change the layout in whatever way I please, and I may see it full screen. From there, for that I have to click here for visualizing it on full screen. I have to turn on the captions. This is the one which is already here, same thing over here, and I can adjust the settings accordingly. If there is any complaint, I can report from here if there is a problem over here. So these are the settings from where I can adjust the audio, adjust the video, and there are some general settings. So this is an excellent option. Now if I for example, if I just click on this layout, this is the auto layout that comes. So if I want, I can change the layout according to my convenience from here. So this is an excellent platform, and its interface is also very simple. This one gives me the meeting details, so I can simply just copy the details, or I can send attachments here, attach files. So I can just copy the details from here, and I can just send it to anybody whom I want to be a part of this meeting. So this is an excellent option, I believe, this Google Meet. And as soon as you want to just stop the meeting, all you have to do is, this is since you are the one to start the meeting, so you just close the window and you left the meeting. That means you have now stopped the meeting. So, or you just click on leave the meeting, or that means if you are the host, then everybody will leave the meeting. So that's how you can have an instant and easy meeting from Google Meet app. Thank you.